BNSF. Union Pacific. Food reviews. Live videos.
Hi everybody, this is Brad on NRDVDS on YouTube, and I got a couple fruit fees at North Platte Railfest.
Logging.
I know I always loved Wrangler ones, but they're expensive now. And this is a good deal on 10 pairs of socks.
Hi, I'm Brad. I am presenting you with this video. Enjoy the show.
Hi everybody, it's Brad on NRDVDS on YouTube, and I'm doing this vlog. I just left home a little bit ago, and I'm going to be heading north and doing some vlogging. So here we go. And this is one I have potato and the burrito. Of course, I have the salsa here. Pepsi here.
Sandra, please, Sandra.
Yeah. After I ate my dinner, I'm heading to bowling, and then I'll go do some other things too. But it's just plenty chilly out here to, well, film trains, but I can still film trains at another time. So I guess I'll work on my next video from the other day, which I filmed some trains there too. So currently I'm heading for bowling. I know I'm going to have fun anyway. And I'll just head over to the bowling alley and we'll see you later. Heading to a bowling alley right now. Of course, it needs some pothole work out here. I'll see you later. Okay, this is where I got at Walmart and the rest of their couple of the wrestler jeans. Seen here. But yeah, I know I always loved Wrangler ones, but they're expensive now. And this is a good deal on 10 pairs of socks, which I do need. Next stuff I like to get is fuel for the beast, and then that's it. This is what I got at Walmart. So I get gas, and that's pretty much it. And then I'll just drive around and see what we got going on. Hopefully for more trains, but never know around here either. Yeah, and I'm about done for the vlogging, and this is a chilly day to go out and film trains anyway. And it's November. You expect that in Nebraska, but hopefully things warm up, but not the 70-something degrees either. Other than that, it's not a big deal. Yeah, we also received the first snowfall of 2016-2017 winter. In my whole town where I'm in, only have about 4/10 of an inch of snow. And out west, like north central Nebraska and west central Nebraska, had more. Just to let you guys know. Sunshine is beautiful. Yeah, probably warm up. Even though we have fun during bowling, this is the result of the post-game show. So we had fun at bowling, and we have fun. Here's what we bought. I bought 2 pairs of jeans and a pair of socks, which I desperately do need. I have fun at bowling today, and ate at TJ's and drove around a little bit. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video on this vlog, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Google+. That's my social media. Thanks for watching. If you like this video on YouTube, please hit the like button. You can comment, and you can subscribe to my channel on ARDVDS on YouTube. And you can also visit my blogs. Let's see, on my Railfan series. Go to www.railfan.com Brad's Railfan Series blogspot.com. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.